This product's price does change often. Be sure and check out the link down below in the description to see what kind of price you can get for it. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these UGREEN smart finders. Now in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about these smart finders and help you know what you can expect when you get them. Now this right here is the smart finder, and I just wanted to first off show you how small it is. You can see it's nice and compact here, really nice and small here in my hand, and there is actually that loop up there at the top left corner there to go ahead and loop through one of these little string attachments that they give you, and they have 4 of them, one for each of these smart finder tags that you get in this set. Now I wanted to also mention here, this is the tag right here. You can see there's pretty much nothing on the tag. It has a nice, very clean look to it, except this little button right here. Now if we hold down this button actually turns the device on and off, and you can hear it kind of chime there. That's actually how this device is how it kind of lets you know what it's doing and things like that. And so I like that it has that chime. It's nice and loud and kind of would help me, especially in case I lost something. I like that that chime is built in. Now, one thing I wanted to mention about these smart finder little tags right here is the fact that you get 4 of them here in this set. It's super nice to have so many, and they even include stickers here for if you want to go ahead and put a sticker on each piece. For example, a lot of people like to use these with their keys, like on a keychain, on their backpack, luggage. You could even use it for your bicycle, vehicle, or maybe something else. But I've been super impressed with these smart finder tags. I think they have a nice aesthetic look to them, and I like how compact they are. But overall, guys, if you are looking for some smart finder tags, check out these ones. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.